Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Printify to Amazon. So let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Printify website. Sign into your account, then click My Stores and select Add New Store. From the list of available sales channels, choose Amazon and click Continue. If you already have an Amazon store, select it. Otherwise, create a new store by entering the required details, then click Continue. Next, review the terms and conditions and accept them to move forward. Printify will then ask you to connect your Amazon seller account. If you already have one, sign in and authorize the connection. If you don't have an Amazon seller account yet, choose the option to create one. Click Register, then Sign Up, select Get Started, accept the required agreements, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your Amazon seller account setup. Once your seller account is ready, return to Printify and authorize it to access your Amazon seller account. After the connection is complete, your Printify store will be successfully linked to Amazon. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.